Are you looking for the next big stock that could skyrocket your portfolio? What if I told you there is a company revolutionizing not just Indian real estate, but also leading the charge in data center growth? This is not just another company, it is a story of transformation, resilience, and unprecedented growth. Stay tuned as we uncover why Anant Raj Limited might just be the hidden gem you have been waiting for. At first, introduction. This company is established in 1985 and the headquarter is in New Delhi. And when we talk about business, Anant Raj Limited is mainly in real estate business, in residential, apartment, luxury residence, commercial malls, business parks, convention centers, in hospitality, resorts. But now this company jumps in data center and cloud solutions, rack space, server rack cage, server hall, server white space. So these are the reason why the share price of this company is growing rapidly. You can see here in 2020, in November 2020, share price was approximately 19 rupees only. And now the price is 870 rupees. You can see the huge growth. And the reason is it is not only working in real estate, but also working in data center and cloud solution. Now moving to another point, and the second point is current data. Stock performance 52 week high at the price of 872 rupees. Actually, today is some correction. It is showing approximately 5%. Yes. 5.39% it is showing today is the correction, but nothing to worry. This is a part of the game actually. Market cap is 30,451 crore and financial quarter 2 revenue is 523 crore. That is jump of 53% year on year. And net profit is 105 crore. That is jump of 75% year on year. So, okay. Now, third point, recent news. After then, I will go to the fundamental analysis. Warrant allotment. Earlier, we all usually we know the warrant is in law, but this is another warrant. So 1.37 million warrant at the price of 730 rupees each. Actually, warrant is a document. So if you have any idea, just write below in the comment box what is warrant. And if you want detail about warrant, uh, also mention in the comment that you want something more about warrant, you want to understand warrant, then I will create a separate video for this. Total capital raised 100 crore rupees from warrant. Analyst coverage. Motilal Oswal has suggested buy and the target price is 1100 rupees. Okay. Future growth potential. At first, we talk about the fundamental of this company. As you can see here, current price is 891 rupees. Okay. Actually, Only one issue I can see in this uh, part, that is ROCE and ROE. ROCE and ROE are not good, but rest of the things are very good. Sales growth, it is showing 52%. It is huge. Profit growth is also 70%. And debt to equity ratio is negligible, 0.1. Sales growth average 3 years, 81%. Sales growth average 7 years, 18%. Pledge percentage 0. Promoters holding is also more than 50%. Interest coverage ratio should be more than 3. It is already 17. Current ratio should be more than 1 and it is showing 6. So everything is perfect here. Nothing to worry about it. OPM, operating profit margin, is also 22%. Just moving to the chart, and you can see EPS is growing and price to earning ratio P is also growing. Profit and loss statement. Yes, this is the thing we should understand. 2013 sales revenue was 558 crore. From 2013 to 2021, revenue was decreasing. You can see here 558 to 483. It is same in 2015. Then again fall 431. And here you can see 350 crore in 2019. 276 again 250. So till March 2021, revenue was decreasing. But after 2021, from 2021 to 2022, you can see there is big jump in revenue. And from 2022 to 2023, again big jump. Again big jump from 2023 to 2024. And in net profit also you can see the growth. From 9 crore to 53 crore 2021 to 2022. Again 53 crore to 149 crore net profit. And it is already growing. When you see the balance sheet, in balance sheet, you can see equity capital is also growing 59 crore to 65, 65 to 68. Reserve is also increasing. You can see from 2021 it is growing till now, and borrowing is decreasing. In 2021 borrowing was 1663 crore. Now it is only 386 crore. Okay, now we talk about the future growth potential, because we have seen it is growing. Okay, but now we discuss that it will grow from here or it will fall. When you talk about future growth potential, data center is scaling up to 307 megawatt in 4 to 5 years. And in real estate, 7,000 crore in launch and 10,000 crore in potential development value. Approximately 50,000 crores of revenue potential in next 4 to 5 years from residential sales in sector 63A, Gurugram, and approximately 100 crore fully paid freehold land in Delhi NCR for future residential, warehousing and hospitality project. Potential to acquire incremental 25 acres in next 2 years in Gurugram. So you can understand that there is huge chance to grow in the share price, but nothing is guaranteed in share price. Even market was falling since September, but it is growing. Okay. Now we talk about the risk. First risk is market volatility, real estate market fluctuation. Second risk is regulatory change. If something changed by the government, then definitely it will affect in the share price. Execution risk, it can be delay in data center and real estate projects. So this is the risk. Now it's your turn. Call to action. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who could benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update on financial tips and stock market insights. Have question or thoughts? Drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and take control of your financial future. See you in the next video.